How much would you spend on a reasonable magazine, roughly? I think that this question really shows the different ages which have answered this survey. So I know that, for example, the people who are more in their teens, or around my age basically, have answered for the £1 or £2. This shows that they don't usually purchase magazines, so don't actually understand the pricing, which more established magazines cost. By this I mean how Vogue, they charge £5.99 per issue, but have even gone up to £9.99 for special editions. This is a lot of money for a magazine, but some people would argue that it is definitely worth it. You can see here that 2/3 of the total sales, or the total spending amount people would spend, is between £4 and £5, which I think is reasonable. I do. It just shows that people don't really want to pay over the top for a magazine, which makes me think that this is where I want my price range to be. Yeah. I've also gotten the price for a Empire magazine, which is £4, which shows that it is in this price range, which is my most area. You can clearly see here that we have just over 60 people have said that they would rather pay between these two than these £1 to £3, which I do understand, but even so. I think that you can charge more money, like Vogue's £9.99 special edition ones, if it is a special edition, or if it doesn't come out every month or every week or however it publishes. I think the less frequently they are published, the more you can charge.